to my channel. Hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, we are all of this week going to be sharing an advent calendar for the next 6 days. We started off yesterday with the first Airwick advent calendar, which you can check it out right here. Was I impressed with it? Not really, but you guys can go and check it out and see what you think. It was a bargain, but it really wasn't my cup of tea. So we are going to start off this week and hopefully run throughout the whole week of just advent calendars, because I know so many of you are looking forward to checking out which other ones I've got my hands on. So we're going to start off with the Revolution advent calendar, and yeah, we're going to dive in right now. So before we do that, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. Grab a cuppa because this one's going to be a good one. Okay, so I'm going to hold it like this because this is like the third attempt I'm trying to get this. This is the third attempt that I'm trying to stand them up so that I can pull them out, but it's not happening. So I'm just going to have to lay it flat down and then just pull out the number and share with you guys. So we're going to go in with number 1, which is this one right here. And for number 1, we have a Revolution nude lipstick in the shade Adore. So that's what that looks like. Okay, I'm not going to do any swatches because I am actually going to put some of these goodies into the giveaway. So that's number 1. In door number 2, well, box number 2, we have a little mini one here, and we have a little mini mascara. Oh, it's a brow gel. So this is a clear brow gel. There you go. 3. Ow. We have another lip gloss, and this is like a two-tone lip gloss. Oh, that's nice, like a metallic pink. That's stunning. So that's what we've got in there, and this is in the shade pink. That's what that looks like right there. Get that into focus. Gorgeous that is. Box number 4 is the lovely black and gold stars. That's what this year's calendar is all about. And they've actually got a big calendar. It's a big star, but it's sold out everywhere. I've tried to get my hands on it. I just couldn't get my hands on it. We have a gorgeous Revolution nude lipstick right there. And this is in the shade Adore. So you've got the matching lip gloss to go with the lipstick there. And I love the packaging because it shows you the colour as well. Can I get that into focus? In box number 5, we have another long, and it feels like it's like a lip liner, eyeliner. Let's have a look. And we have a eyeliner, pencil eyeliner, which is called in black. You can never have enough eyeliners, they always seem to go missing. Number 6, we have, oh, we've got a scrunchie. These are so handy. I love scrunchies at the minute. Literally, I've got a pink one in. No, I haven't got a pink one in, but it's one in my hair now. But yeah, scrunchies always come in handy. We've got that. Number 7, we have another lipstick, and this is in the shade Cupid. Love this colour. So it's like a pinky nude, which is really nice. And it's so good because it's got the colour of the lipstick at the top of the lid as well, which I think is really, really good. Nice, elegant looking lipstick. Okay, that was number 7. Number 8, got this, and do we have a little mini eyeshadow palette? Yes, we do. It's got the lovely little stars on, so that's the new packaging for the advent calendar this year. And this is a 7-pan shadow palette. It hasn't got a name, and you've got some lovely purples, mauves, nice little smoky eye looking palette there. That's gorgeous. In box number 9, we have this little box here. Is it a blush? Bronzer? We have a blush. That's the blusher. How gorgeous is that colour? Stunning. There you go. And this is in the shade, let's say. Yeah, it just says blusher. So it's like a peachy nude colour there, which is nice. Okay, number 10. Got another long black and gold star one. And we have, oh, this looks cute, a lip gloss. That's a nice lip gloss right there. Has it got a smell? Strawberry or watermelon? That's strawberry. Definitely strawberry, has to be. Yep, so that's that. That's a nice one to have. Thank you very much. In box number 11, lovely nice rose gold one. We've got another, we have a eyebrow pencil. So that is the colour that comes in the eye with the eyebrow pencil, brown. Box number 12, another long one. We have another lip gloss. Oh no, sorry, we don't. We have an eye primer. So this is an eye primer. That's really handy to have to prep the eyes, and it's a nice light colour. And it doesn't matter if it's really light and it's not your skin tone, because it's going to go under your eyeshadow anyway, so you won't really see it. Just to get a really nice base on, you know, underneath your eyeshadow. So that's what that one is. Number 13 is another long, thin A bit smaller than the normal. Ow, just cut my thumb. Ow, I've done it again. I've just cut my finger again. It's a little bit chunky for the box, so that's why. And I think this is a eyebrow crayon. So that's a clear eyebrow crayon. Is that to put on after, or maybe to set it? I have no idea. I'll have to get it out and see what that does. In box number 14, this little baby here, we have, oh god, it's so hard to get them open. So we have a highlighter, which we've got to have a bit of highlighter in, don't we? So that's what this little one is here. That's a stunning colour. It's like a rose gold champagne-y colour. Definitely something that I would wear. Number 15, we've got another long one. Brown gold shimmer lip gloss. Oh no, it's not a lip gloss, it's an actual, this is a liquid eyeshadow. Oh, that's nice. So this is an actual eyeshadow. Oh, that's stunning. Look at that colour. That's gorgeous. Really like that. That's a nice surprise in there, isn't it? So that's a liquid eyeshadow. Definitely nice for Christmas and New Year, isn't it? Box number 16, we have a lip gloss, and it's in Cupid. So the lipsticks have got the matching lip glosses, which is really cute. I've actually got these colours, so I might actually put these in the giveaway. So I'm not going to do any swatches so that I can put them in the giveaway. I think I need to do a couple of giveaways because this giveaway is getting really, really big. Because as soon as we hit 500 subscribers here on YouTube and 3,000 over on Instagram, some lucky winner is going to get some big box of makeup for Christmas, just in time for Christmas this year. So get subscribing, get following over on Instagram, and let's get this to 3,500 so that we can give it away, because I'm running out of room, plus I'm moving soon and I don't want to take it with me. Okay, so we've got our first little mini liner brush there, which is so cute. I actually love these. Penny actually steals these because she thinks they're for her. Okay, number 18, have, sorry if you can hear the kids on the Xbox, standard on this channel. Then we have another lip gloss, so it's a very clear lip gloss. Packaging is so cute. I like these. They're quite long, so you get 8 mil, so it's a bit more than what you would normally get, and I do like them. So yeah, that's another lip gloss. 18. Number 19. What do you think this is? Bronzer. We've had a blusher and highlight. This got to be a bronzer, hasn't it? No, it's actually baking powder. So we've got a baking powder that looks a bit yellowy. That's quite cute. Okay. Number 20. What are you doing? Number 20 is another brush. So we've got a flat shader brush right there. Number 20, is that number 21? Yeah. 21's here. It's hiding from me. Didn't want to come out. So we've got a lip liner, and this is in the shade, wow, it's actually a nude shade. So that will actually go with the lipsticks, both the lipsticks, if I can get it open. So it's a nude lipstick there, which is nice. Okay. Then we've got box 22. Got another brush. How cute are these? They're stunning. Honestly, my minis are really growing quite nicely. Then we've got box 23. Oh, a little mini compact mirror. So that's what you got. We've got the black and gold star, this year's advent calendar. And then number 24, gotta be another brush, I think. Feels like it. Yep, we've got another brush there. And then number 25, palette, isn't it? Gotta be the big one. And then finally we have this gorgeous palette. It's got the lovely black and gold stars on there. So this is a new palette, obviously, and it's just for the advent calendar, and it's called Reloaded, and these are the gorgeous shades right there. So yeah, that is what's in the Revolution advent calendar. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if it's made you decide to go for it or not. I know that they've just pushed it onto the website, and today, yes, so go and check that out with all the Christmas gifts and everything like that. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give this a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all tomorrow for another day of Vlogtober, and we've got another advent calendar to unbox. Bye guys.